Hey everyone, it is Deborah. Welcome to Deb Crafts. This is my Friday video. And this super cute little mini album, you know I love my house mini albums. This one is actually from the KS Craft February Greenhouse mini album. Okay, let me show you how I made this one. This one's so easy. Easy. The hardest part is opening the bag for the dies. Okay. So, I didn't use this part because I knew I wanted to do a cinch bound binding. So I did not use this part. I didn't use this part either. I didn't want that. So I just used this frame right here. And I cut out, with this one, I did chipboard and I did the sandwich method. So there's chipboard in the middle and then there's, two pieces of paper on the outside. There's no layering for this, but anyway, this part is stitched. So you do get that detail of the stitched on here. So every page is layered with chipboard. And then I did use this piece, and this piece for the windows. And you could decorate those windows any way you want. And then, of course, this is the background layer for the door. Sorry, I still have pieces on there. And then this is, well, I wonder if I have it upside. No, I don't. But anyway, I have it upside down right here. But, then now my pieces fall out. But this is, that pink layer is this, and then the yellow is the background layer. Okay, and that's all I used, those pieces. So let's go ahead and do a quick flip through. And if you want a tutorial on this one, I'll be glad to do a tutorial. It's super simple. I did use a Hobby Lobby sticker. And then I did use my little flowers. I love this little flower. It is from Scrap Diva Designs, the House Mini Album for Scrap Diva Designs. And I do have a bunch of them cut out, ready to go on my projects. Let's see. Let's go ahead and go through it. I don't think... Oh, this lace right here is those ribbon and trim bundles from Michaels. That's where that came from. I'm not sure if it's this year. No, it would have to be last year or before, because I haven't bought any ribbon this year because I don't need to buy any ribbon or anything else, really. I don't need any more dies. I don't need nothing. So, but, here we have it. So all I did was glue everything on here. I did have this grass. Oh my gosh, I had cut it out with my Cricut a long time ago. And I'm like, hey, I've got those little packets. So I'm going to go ahead and use that grass. So that's what I did. And just added the flowers to it. Okay. Very, very easy. And then each page, I want this to be I want to use this as to give away ephemera. And so that's what I'm doing. I want to add these eventually to that. But anyway, each page is blank, or you could actually use it as a little photo album for Easter. This paper right here says Happy Easter. I'm actually using the Easter basket, Echo Park Easter basket on this one, on this little mini album. So hopefully I can bust that this week. Hopefully. Anyway, this very, very simple, and what I want to do is add my little die cuts to give away. Look, I even have tree die cuts. Look how cute those are. But I have to figure out how to package these so they're going to fit on these pages. But that's what I want to do. I want to add some ephemera, and that's it. That's all it is. Very, very simple. This will probably end up being some type of happy mail to my viewers. Happy mail is going to go to my viewers, my active viewers, so just letting you know. But I have to finish, I want to finish putting the ephemera in here. Either that or I will put photo mats that fit this area. Tell me what you think. Comment below. What do you like about this? What would you use this die for if you had one? What would you use a die like this for? Would you make the greenhouse? And if you were going to make the greenhouse, what would your theme be on it? Because my theme, I thought about it, was to make the greenhouse and put like bunnies working in the greenhouse and having their, you know, their image right behind this part. So this would be over in, oh shoot, if that bunny, look, he would be peeking out at you through the little slats. That would be cute. I thought about doing something like that, and I may do that. If you want a tutorial on that, let me know. Please comment below. But anyway, guys, I hope you have an amazing weekend and enjoy. Bye. Talk to you later. Bye.